BIG is a new brand we created for Big Brothers Big Sisters Miami. It stands for Buying is Giving. And it's a new kind of micro-donating engine built to help people help our kids just by buying everyday things. Unlike other micro-donation programs that are based off only one type of product, BIG can literally turn any product into a donation. So anytime somebody purchases a BIG branded product, a portion of that purchase goes to Big Brothers Big Sisters. To promote BIG, we partnered with barcode artist Scott Blake to create a portrait of a local little brother using barcodes representing the purchase of BIG products. The pieces were unveiled at Art Basel, Miami's premier art event with over 300,000 people in attendance, and was featured in galleries in the form of murals and flipbooks that explain the program. Out-of-home ads promoting BIG were also placed around the event, but played off Miami's obsession with shopping, twisting that stereotype into a positive. Because with BIG, the more you buy, the more you give. And with more partners creating BIG branded products every day, lots of little donations in Miami are starting to make a big difference in a lot of children's lives.